I'm Joyce Blowers, and I'm owner of Delightful Quilting and Sewing, located in Avon, New York. I'm a dealer for Nolting Longarm. I'm also a dealer for IntelliQuilter computer-guided system, and we also carry many other supplies that are strictly for long armers. If you've ever been to a quilt show and you've seen small quilts, medium-sized quilts, and big quilts and wondered how they actually finish those quilts, more than likely, at least the large ones have been completed using a long arm because it's the easiest way to do it. You can pick the pattern that you want, the design that you want, and you can finish that quilt in a lot less time than if you tried to do it on your home machine. With a computer-guided system, you're able to indicate a pattern that you want, either an edge-to-edge pattern, which sews the same pattern from one side to the other and top to bottom of your quilt, or if you want to do custom work, you choose the block where you want to place a pattern, choose a pattern, put it in that block. Maybe choose a different pattern for the next block. Each block can be customized and individualized depending on what you want to put in that quilt. So computer guided is a one step beyond hand guided. It's all lots of fun. A couple of years ago when we were at dealer training at Nolting in Iowa, one of the dealers said, "You need to have a manual." And they said, "Yeah, we probably should," but nobody offered to do one. So after a while, my husband said to me, "You need to write the manual." So we spent the next 2 years writing the manual for Nolting. It not only includes things on Nolting machines, but it's also a how-to manual for quilters. How do I long arm? How do I load? How do I deal with tension problems? There's a troubleshooting guide in there, but it is called Guide to Quilting with Your Nolting, which I wrote with a little bit of help from my husband. Delightful Quilting and Sewing may seem like a small town quilt shop, and indeed we are small. We pride ourselves on customer service, delivery, setup, and training of anyone who buys either a long arm or a computer-guided system from us. But our outreach has been way beyond that. I've been asked to teach in different places around the country, even taught in Alaska. We recently got back from Colorado where we installed and trained on a computer-guided system. And even this week, I expect a student to come who's traveling in the US but wants to take a class at our studio, and she's from Australia. I also was asked by Nolting to create tutorials for QuiltMagine, their computer-guided system, and also the moderator of QuiltMagine Yahoo group. As a Nolting dealer, we serve New York State and surrounding states. At our showroom in Avon, we have several Nolting machines set up, 2 computer-guided systems, always available for you to try and make a decision. Our goal is to work with the customer to help them find what works with their needs, their space, and their budget, and we offer options from entry level to top of the line. And besides that, we deliver, we set up, and train you to use your long arm. We also deliver, set up, and train you to use your computer-guided system. Classes are taught on our Nolting machines and frames, but they are not brand specific. So if you own another type of long arm and would like long arm classes, give us a call. Our long arm prep class is a great way to see if you really like long arm quilting before you make a large investment in a long arm. We also carry a number of supplies strictly for long arm quilters, such as bobbin gauge, zero center tape, a quilter's eye camera, templates, and many machine quilting idea books. As you're watching this video online and you're looking to buy a long arm, have questions about long arm ownership, how much is it going to cost? Is it going to fit in my space? Who's going to train me? Do I have to set it up myself? Give us a call. We have answers to those questions and probably many other questions that you may have. We would love to help you.